Let's talk about your kitchen, shall we? Because whether it's a big kitchen or a small kitchen, you're always looking for utensils or gadgets to go and make cooking easier on a grander scale. Because sometimes doing it by yourself and by hand is a messy endeavor that many want to avoid. Every year it seems like there's some new wonder product to go and help you in the kitchen, but can any of them really be trusted? Which ones should you single out in order to make your kitchen experience better and easier? Allow us to show you 14 kitchen gadgets you will love. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. 14. Chef and Cob Corn Stripper. It's happened to all of us. We try to cut the kernels off the cob and they end up rolling off our cutting board all over the counter. A week later, we find little pieces of corn hiding behind our coffee makers. Don't be that person. This corn stripper quickly and easily separates your kernels from the cob without making a mess. And thus you'll be able to go and get that corn off the cob and put it into a bowl or other container for whatever needs you have of it. It really does work, so why not try it out? 13. Pancake Batter Mixer Bottle. Make pancakes with less of a mess. Simply add your ingredients into this bottle. Shake and squeeze onto a hot girdle. At first you might think, well, it can't be that easy. But honestly, yes it can. That's half the point right here. Because people know that sometimes getting just enough batter out is a problem, and not something we all want to deal with. So with this gadget, you'll be able to get the batter into the bottle and squeeze it out until you have exactly how much batter you want for your pancakes. Less muss, less fuss, better pancakes. What could be better? 12. Salad Chopper and Strainer. When it comes to making a salad, you often have to go and make sure you have the perfectly sized extras like eggs, tomatoes, cheese, and more to make it feel fulfilling, but that can be hard. With this salad and strainer though, not so much. Place all your salad ingredients in this bowl and slice through the grates. Twist and repeat, and you're left with perfectly chopped lettuce and veggies. Just transfer onto a plate and add dressing and you're ready to eat it. Again, it sounds simple, but isn't the simplest of items the best to use? 11. Stuffed Hamburger Press with Lifter. There's really nothing tastier than biting into a thick, gooey, cheese-stuffed burger. But they can be hard to make at home, especially if you haven't been taught how to grill in an effective manner. This burger press provides a perfect mold for your stuffed patties, with a top piece that compacts the meat around your filling. As a result, you'll have the perfect hamburgers to go and cook so that you and your family can enjoy burgers at home without having to go into town and the local restaurant. 10. Con Recon Coke Bloom Spill Stopper. Perfect your pasta making skills with a smart spill stopping tool. They'll keep boiling water from overflowing and splattering all over your stove. Which is of course something none of us want because that could cause all sorts of problems for you, dear chef. Its unique 2-tier lid effectively lets steam and pressure escape, so you're not stuck scraping off burn-on spills long after your pasta is gone. There's no shame in making messes in the kitchen, it happens to many of us. But devices like this can go and help ensure that it doesn't happen again. 9. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain Strainer. Let's deal with another pasta issue. If you're cooking a lot of pasta and you need to strain it, you have to go and put that sometimes very loose pasta into a strainer, and that can be tricky if you're not careful. But you can strain your pasta with ease using this gadget that clips onto the side of your pot, eliminating the need for those bulky bowl strainers that never fit into the sink or your cabinet properly. Furthermore, because of how this strainer is set up, you won't have to worry about tipping the pot over so much that the pasta spills out, as the guard will keep it in line. 8. Boska Holland Party Clette To Go Mini Raclette Set. Sweet dreams are made of cheese. Yes, we really made that joke. You're welcome. Anyway, having melted cheese of various kinds can be perfect for certain meals. But cooking it the right way can be very hard, especially if it's something like raclette. Make your cheesy dreams a delicious reality with this portable mini raclette machine from Boska Holland. Just light the tea lights to get something heated up, and soon you'll be having cheese in style. 7. OXO Good Grips 3-in-1 Avocado Slicer. We bet you never realized you need an avocado slicer until right now. This handy tool splits, pits, and slices avocados like a breeze, and it's actually a serious game changer for meal prep. Especially since a lot of people are realizing that when it comes to avocados, they're really good and really healthy. So you want to go and have them as part of your meal, else miss out on something special. 6. Nostalgia Retro 3-in-1 Family Size Electronic Breakfast Station. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day, bar none. But as great as it is, it can be hard to get everything done when you're having to cook things on different dishes, at different settings, and try not to get anything burned. That's where the Nostalgia Retro's gadget comes in, combining a coffee maker, girdle, and toaster oven in one compact appliance. This retro 3-in-1 electronic breakfast station is beyond cool, and it'll help you make your breakfast done in no time flat, while keeping it all in one easy spot for you to manage. 5. Harbor 022 Meat Thermometer. Whether you're barbecuing brisket, veggies, or ribs, no one likes to play the temperature guessing game when it comes to the time-sensitive handling of meat. Because if you guess wrong, you're either going to be undercooking, overcooking, or just plain ruining your food item, and no one will want to eat something cooked by you again. Enter an accurate, easy-to-use meat thermometer. Amazon's #1 bestseller in this category. This Harbor digital meat thermometer gauges temperature in a speedy 4 to 6 seconds thanks to its precise internal sensor, ensuring that you know exactly what is going on in your cooked item and when it's perfect time to get it off the grill or oven so you can get ready to eat it. 4. Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. Eggs are a great part of any meal if you know how to cook it right, but some of us out there don't. This 6 egg capacity electronic egg cooker from Dash literally takes the guesswork out of cooking hard-boiled eggs. For bigger batches of hard-boiled eggs, this kitchen appliance is a game changer. It also has a small footprint to save your precious countertop space. Plus, it saves you the trouble of having to boil them in water and potentially make a big mess. 3. Bentgo Salad BPA Free Lunch Container. We've all experienced the bummer of soggy salads for lunch at work or on the go. But this BPA-free plastic lunch container from Bentgo is here to change all that. With a built-in fork, separate salad dressing compartment, and individual pockets to add toppings or citrus wedges, this tiered lunch container is genius. And it's perfect for those who want to have a good container with their lunch without it getting all yuck by the time you eat it. 2. Instant Pot Duo 60. With more than 72,000 reviews, this Instant Pot IP Duo 60 6-quart model is one of the most popular iterations of the gadget. And it's honestly not hard to see why. With 14 built-in microprocessor-controlled programs, this appliance allows users to slow cook everything from meats, stews, and chilies to rice, breakfast porridge, and other grains, making it so you don't need a bunch of gadgets and pots to cook all the stuff in. You just need this one, and it'll do quite well. And as we noted, it's been reviewed well by tens of thousands who have tried it, so you should give it a shot. 1. Kilner Butter Churner. If you've ever made butter using a mason jar, a marble, and some heavy cream, this is basically the same thing, but less labor-intensive. You can have fresh, hand-churned butter in just minutes by using this crank, or you can use it to exhaust your child when they have too much energy. Either way works, and the result is the same because you'll have the butter you need for whenever you need it. So shall we churn the butter? So what do you think? What do you think of this look at the kitchen gadgets that are out there right now that you should totally invest in? Do you already see something on that list that you're gonna buy? If so, which one? Do you see one that you might recommend to a friend given how much they cook? Or do you know of another kitchen gadget that should be on our list? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on the channel.